Welcome to Browser in Seconds. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to save tabs before restarting Google Chrome. So this is very helpful because, for example, you're doing research and it's really hard for you to find those tabs. And for example, like your laptop or PC begins to lag and you want to restart Chrome, but you don't want to lose the websites that you find. So what you're gonna do is, for example, these are the tabs that you have opened. And then what you can do is in the upper right corner, click these three vertical dots and then hover over bookmarks and lists. Bookmark all tabs, or you can also do the shortcut key Control Shift T. And then we can name a folder. So for example, research, and then click save. And then, so for example, we open a new Google Chrome. It was under the new folder and then research. Right click on it and open all file. And there you have it. It will begin to load and open those sites. Thank you and see you in the next video.